I usually start by shaping the handle so I have a good grip while I'm beveling the blade. When beveling the blade, I like to hold it right on the roller because that's where I get the best traction. And I try to hold it at what's roughly a 35-degree angle. And then I just slowly work both sides towards the middle until I get a nice edge. Then it's a couple quick passes to refine that edge, and then I finish the shaping. How does she look? I always like to make the handle extra dark just to aid the visual transition between the handle and the blade. Plus, a light burn on the blade just gives that nice Damascus feel to the grain lines. Just wipe it off the soot here. Alright, let's shellac this beautiful Elvish chopper. Now, when you're coating with shellac, it'll dry really fast, so you can put it right on dowels like this and it likely won't stick to it. After about 20 minutes, I still like to pick it up and see if there's any pooling areas because you can kind of smooth it out with your finger a little bit before it fully dries. Now, the result you will see at the end of this video while I'm chopping down some weeds with this is only receive 2 coats, but you can put as many coats as you want. It will just become thicker and the shine will max out at some point. And now for the shrubbery. How do you think it cut? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe for more.